sabi nga sa kanila, don't rush it. Kasi some fall for the appealingly faddish trends of losing such drastic weight in a short amount of time. Something I didn't do. Kasi ako, I lost weight over a decade, I think.
Yeah.
I started, so I took my sweet time. It was 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. So it's just normal. Kasi for example, if you want to get fit because you just want to hit the beach by a few months.
Yeah.
So after
Parang
that,
if it's just for labor, Akay.
parang after that, what happened? So wala na. So ako, parang yung sa akin, yung my why, sabi nga nila, is siguro yung family ko. So right now, for example, I have more energy playing with kids, even sa gabi. So my eldest, si Juan, malaki na siya ngayon, but I could still heave him. Kaya pa rin siyang buhatin na hindi ako hinihingal. Ganun. So mga simple things like that, I feel it. It's a big thing na I'm fit enough to do that. And hopefully, even if they grow up, I could still do that. So that's the goal na, kumbaga, be healthy, not just for me, but for my family. I want to see them grow up. Ganun.